Now let's get into the detail. So let's say we have n child capsules here and n parent capsules, and let's say the incoming information to each of the child capsules are U1 up to UN here. The first thing we're supposed to do is we're going to transform this information from the child capsule perspective to the parent capsule perspective. For example, if we consider the first child have a link to the first parent, and this transformation will be captured by this matrix W11 here. So basically we're just multiplying U1 by W11, we get this U11. So, and we can do similarly for other capsules and for other links to have to obtain Uj given I. Then we need to decide what's the routing weight for each of the links here. Initially the weight will be set like equally. So the bookkeeping is done by using these dummy variables here like B11 up to B and M actually. And initially it's uniform, so all of them will be just set to 0. And the actual weight will be just applying softmax over these B's here. More precisely, for example, the routing weight for this first child capsule here will be just equal to the softmax over all the B's corresponding to the outgoing edges of this child capsule. And then the initial estimate of the parent capsule will be just the weighted sum of this J given I, and is weighted by those Cij there. And for example, the first V1 here will be just sum over all the U1 given I, weighted by Ci1. And we will apply a squash function here just to make V1 to have a magnitude between 0 and 1, not more than 1 basically. And then afterward we'll just repeat the whole process, in the sense now we're going to update the routing weight C here. We'll first update this bookkeeping parameter Bij by adding the estimated correlation between the contribution, let's say from capsule I to capsule J, with what we estimate the current output of capsule J. So that is, this correlation will be just simply estimated as the inner product between them. So afterward, then we'll just compute softmax again to update the weights, and then we'll just apply the squashing function on the weighted sum of J given I, weighted by Cij again, to update the outputs of the parent capsules, and then this process will just repeat again and again.